Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can make a data store script in Roblox Studio. So first thing, make sure to create a place and then publish it. The next thing that you want to do is click on this icon and then go to options. Click on both of the options and then press save. Then insert a script in server script service. So we want to make two variables, local data store equals to game column get service data store. So this is the data store service, and then we want a data store for our currency. So local coin data store equals to game column get service. So we're just going to data store column get data store, and then insert a random keyword, so coins store. Now let's make a latest stat. So game dot players dot player added column connect function player, and then we want to create the folder called leader stats. So local leader stats equals to instance dot new folder comma player. So we add a keyword here to represent the player, and then it's going to parent it to player. Alright, so next thing, leader stats dot name open quotes equals to leader stats. Make sure that it's leader stats without a capital letter or anything. And then we want to make the coin value, so local coin equals to instance dot new int value comma leader stats coin dot name equals to coin. So that's it. Now we want to save the data when the player leaves. So it's the most efficient way to save data, because when the player is joining, we're going to send the data back to the coin, and then when it's leaving, we're going to send it back to the data store. So game.players.player removing column connect function player, and then we are going to use protect function. So local success comma failed equals to pickle function, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Good job. So now we want to save the data. So coin data store column set async to player dot user ID, and then we are going to concatenate the string using two dots. So and then open comma open a quote. Now we're going to add a keyword, a specific keyword, to be able to access the data. So cache comma player dot leader stats dot coin. We're going to change it to coin because we want to save coin. Anyway, the keyword can be whatever you want, so make sure it's coin. Very good. Now we can send a message if the data was successfully stored. So if success, then print your data has been successfully stored. Else, so if it's not successful, then it means that it should fail. We'll print, instead of printing, we're going to error it. Error failed. Alright, now we need to set the data so that when the player joins the game, their data is being sent to the coin value. We're going to use the same technique, local success, comma, failed equals to pico function coin. We can use another variable, so local stored, so local stored equals to nil, but we're not going to add the nil. Local stored, so stored equals to, we are going to associate something to store, so store equals to coin data store column get async. Make sure that it's set async. Here we want to set the async, and here we want to get the async, so get async player dot user ID, concatenate the string. Make sure that it's the specific keyword that you use down below, and that's it. Now if success, then stored equals to, I'm at coin dot value. Make sure that it's dot value there, else it will output an error. Coin dot value equals to stored, else error failed. We can now test the script, so hit Alt and P on your keyboard to publish the game. Good job. Let's run it into Studio. Our value is 0. So this is the game that we just saved the script. Let's play the game. Alright, the game is now running. Okay, so hit escape on your keyboard, then go to settings, open developer console, go to server, and then I'm just going to paste the script. Now you can see that my coin value is 1000 coins, so I'm just going to hit leave. Excuse me right there. I'm going to rejoin the game and see if it worked. I hope that it was not a complete fail. As you can see, the data did store. I will make sure to leave the game in the link down below in the description or the comments. So, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.